Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's bag tour is of the Vintage Coach Classic Pouch, style number 9170, and this bag was made in the original New York City factory. I would estimate sometime likely in the 1980s, and as you can see, it's in the color black. And what's great about this bag is that the strap is a little bit different than what you typically see on this style of bag, the 9170 style. The strap is thicker. I have another one to show you here that is the style that you typically see of strap and leather. Here's a red one, and the strap, as you can see, has this kind of border around the edges, and it's a little bit of a thinner leather. The black one has a thicker leather. I've never seen this style in this thicker black leather, the thicker leather like this black one. The strap is a little bit thinner too, so I think this black one is kind of rare because of that. So just wanted to show you that quick comparison. So yeah, like I mentioned, the strap is a little bit different on this one than you typically see on this style of bag, and the leather is a nice thicker, stiff type of leather. So it's interesting to find a bag like this, I would say. But anyway, I'll go ahead and show you more of the bag itself now. Like I mentioned the strap, but I should mention it is a shoulder bag, and the strap is adjustable, so you could adjust it on the sides here. And it does come with the matching one-sided hang tag. The hang tag's in really nice condition. It says Coach Leatherwear on the front, and then the back is just suede. And then I'll show you the front of the bag again. It has no closure on this one, it's just a flap. And then here's what the sides look like. And then here's the back of the bag. And there's no back pocket on this one. This is just a straight across seam. And then there are some pockets on the inside though. So it's got a slip pocket here under the front flap, and it's got a back zip pocket as well. So here is that back zip pocket. And it does have an older style of hardware for the zipper here. Yeah, I think this might have just been like an older version of the 9170. I couldn't find one exactly like this in any of the older catalogs, but yeah, it is pretty unique. And then here's the Coach Creed as well, so you can see that the bag is authentic. So that is the 9170 Classic Pouch. It's in really beautiful condition. It's a beautiful vintage bag, and it is available now in our online store. So if you wanted to look at it further, the link will be down below. But otherwise, thanks for watching. Take care, and we'll see you next time.